Motivation is what gets you started, and habits is what keeps you going. Building good habits is the most powerful tool that you will have to succeed in the long run. Today, I'm going to share with you an app which will help you not only build but to be successful if you have these habits built on a daily basis. I started using Habitify to build simple habits which I always thought I would like to do. Something like I wanted to read a book. I would always think that maybe someday I will inculcate that habit. But once I started using the app, it kind of reminded me every day that I had to go ahead and spend some time reading a book. Initially, I was on the free version of the app and it had certain restrictions. But as soon as I moved on to the premium version, I saw that my login times increased during the day, and I would always have this zeal to go in and check mark a certain habit as done, and also wake up every morning thinking that I want to complete X of Y number of habits that I have to complete in the day. So let me show you how I went about using this app and how cool the features are.
I've added my habits over here, so you can go and click on the plus sign and add your habits. I already have a few added, so let's jump into what I have categorized in each of these habits. You can see all your habits over here. If you click on the top, you can categorize your habits according to the time of the day, which is morning, afternoon, or evening. And also, you can have it according to the genre. So you have health, food, personal growth, and you can add an area. If I want to know more about a particular habit, I'll go and I'll click on that, and I'll be able to see a monthly chart of how many times that habit was completed or it skipped or failed. Remember, this feature will come to you only in the premium version. You can skip or fail a habit only if you have the premium version. For certain habits like have water, I have it multiple times in the day, and then it forms the streak over a period of time. So if you want to also do that, you will click here, you will click on edit, and while you categorize or add this habit, you will have reminders. So I have reminders for multiple times in the day. You can add multiple reminders, so you will keep seeing that habit for more than one time in the day. Habitify also offers you smart charts and graph and an analyzer view, wherein you can go ahead and see how much you've completed on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So this is how the analyzer view looks like. Each of the habits are categorized over here according to month, week, day, year, and it gives you a good visual representation of how much you've completed. If you want to add time to a particular habit, you can go ahead and do that as well. I have not used it particularly, but you can set a time for reading a book or some activity like meditation, and you can start logging it as well. Habitify motivates you by showing you data of how many days in a row you've completed a particular habit. So if you see some of these things I have skipped or I have failed, but the others have a streak of a longer time. So say silent hour, where I want to do my digital detox, is for 15-day streak. For example, the silent hour where I want to do a digital detox for 45 minutes is having a 15-day streak, versus my walking habit is not that great, so it encourages me to do it next time. If you go to settings, you will be able to see how to export your data, so your data can get exported in different formats and you can analyze it further if you'd like. You can select the first day of the week, so if you want Sunday or Monday, you can have the flexibility of selecting the same. It sends you in-app notifications for reminding you of different habits that you need to complete in the day. And if you're in the premium version, you will be able to see notifications of the app badge when you've not completed a certain habit in the day.
So I was very happy to share with you all how Habitify helped me with social and digital detoxing for some time in the day, where I would actually just spend 45 minutes with myself rather than just being on the phone all the time. Also, I already told you all about some of the habits that it helped me build, for example, reading a book. I want you all to go try it out and tell me what do you all think about it. And if there are any habits that you all also want to go and inculcate, feel free to reach out to me, like, share, comment if you like this video, and keep watching.